Hello, today I would like to share with you a very famous Chinese dish. It is pan-seared green chili pepper. It's very important to choose the right type of chili pepper for this dish. Here in Europe, the most suitable is the Aci Sivri peppers. They're from Turkey. They're wrinkly and twisted in appearance with a thin skin. They have a slight sweetness beneath their pungency, and the heat can range from mild to very hot. I start with a cut off the end of the chili peppers, and then I cut them into 3 even pieces. If you don't want them too spicy, you can go ahead and take away the chili seeds inside of the peppers. I like them hot and spicy, so I keep them. Here I use my kitchen knife to smash 2 pieces of garlic and then chop them into small pieces. If you like more garlic taste, you can use 3 or 4 or even more. But I would say 4 garlic pieces to 8 green chili peppers is maximum. You don't want the taste to be too strong. Then I fry the chili peppers over low heat in oil. After a while, you turn them around and take a look at the skin. Make sure there are skin wrinkles and sears. The skin should also look a little well fried and brown. The chili pepper should be soft now, so I'm picking out the soft ones and go on fry the ones that are not soft enough. If you're using a cast iron pan, you don't have to wash it, because if you wash it right now, it will deform the pan. So I just simply use some kitchen paper to wipe it clean. I pour in some olive oil, and then I put in the minced garlic and fry them a little bit in low heat. Here I add some curcuma soy sauce. It's about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And then I added some Chinese rice vinegar, also about a teaspoon. You can use almost any vinegar, except those vinegars for dressing salad. Then you put the chili peppers in the garlic sauce to mix them well together. Spread the sugar evenly. Keep on stirring. Remember to keep the heat from medium to low all the time, so it's not over-fried. At the end, I added some chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth or no broth at all, just some salt. You can also add some oyster sauce in. But all these are not necessary. Here you go. You just learned how to cook a famous Chinese dish. And you're welcome. Please like and subscribe for more exciting videos. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Bye!